Hi students, welcome back to my chemistry class. In this video, we will see how to find out percentage composition of a mixture. Percentage composition means mass of one of the component present in 100 grams of the mixture. And it can be determined by using the formula mass of the component divided by mass of the mixture into 100. And we will see how to find out percentage composition of mixture of carbonates. For that, I will give you one question. A mixture of CaCO3 and MgCO3 weighing 1.84 grams on heating left a residue of 0.96 grams. Calculate the percentage composition. In the question, it is given that the total mass of CaCO3 and MgCO3 is 1.84 grams. But to find out the percentage composition, we need to know the mass of individual components, which is not given. So let us consider mass of CaCO3 in the mixture as x grams. Then mass of MgCO3 will be 1.84 minus x grams. When this mixture is heated, CaCO3 decomposes to give CaO and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a gas. MgCO3 decomposes to give MgO and CO2. So when this mixture of CaCO3 and MgCO3 is heated, you will get a residue of CaO and MgO, where CO2 gas escapes out. Total mass of residue mixture of CaO and MgO given is equal to 0.96 grams. As per the balanced equation, 1 mole of CaCO3 is giving 1 mole of CaO. It means number of moles of CaCO3 is equal to number of moles of CaO. In the same way, number of moles of MgCO3 is equal to number of moles of MgO. From the given data, number of moles of CaCO3 equal to mass by molar mass. Mass of CaCO3 is taken as x grams and molar mass of CaCO3 is 100. In the same way, number of moles of MgCO3 will be equal to 1.84 minus x divided by 84. Molar mass of MgCO3 is equal to 84. As per the stoichiometric relation, X by 100 moles of CaCO3 is equivalent to X by 100 moles of CaO. Let us find out this mass of X by 100 moles of CaO. Number of moles multiplied with molar mass will give you mass of the substance. Number of moles is X by 100 and molar mass of CaO is 56. In the same way, 1.84 minus X divided by 84 moles of MgCO3 will give you the same moles of MgO. 1.84 minus X divided by 84 moles of MgO. And mass of these many moles, 1.84 minus X by 84 moles of MgO will be equal to 1.84 minus X divided by 84 multiplied with 40, because molar mass of MgO is equal to 40. When number of moles is multiplied with molar mass, you will get mass of the substance. 0.56x plus 0.47 into 1.84 minus x is equal to 0.96. When this 0.47 is multiplied with 1.84, you will get 0.87 minus 0.47x is equal to 0.96. 0.56x minus 0.47x is equal to 0.09x, which is equal to 0.96 minus 0.87 is also equal to 0.09. So X is equal to 1 gram. So mass of CaCO3 is equal to 1 gram. As per the given data, total mass of residue mixture of calcium oxide and magnesium oxide is equal to 0.96 grams. But as per the analysis, mass of CaO and MgO will be equal to X by 100 into 56 plus 1.84 minus X by 84 into 40. So when you equalize them, 56x by 100 plus 1.84 minus x into 40 divided by 84 is equal to 0.96. Now the mass of MgCO3 is equal to 1.84 minus x. X is mass of CaCO3, 1.84 minus 1, 0.84 grams. So now percentage composition of CaCO3 is equal to mass of CaCO3 divided by total mass of mixture into 100. So equal to 1 by 1.84 into 100, which is equal to 54.34%. Then percentage of MgCO3 will be 100 minus 54.34, which is equal to 45.66%.